Now, the bags are hard to get, but Toys R Us have a bag that you can buy. So, I recommend just get the Toys R Us bag here at Long Beach Sunset. Just buy the Toys R Us bag, and then it's really good for shopping and everything. And yeah, and then if you're looking for a bag in close by, then here is the best one. Toys R Us. So yeah, that's it, everyone. So I'm grateful things. I just want to give a shout out to Toys R Us for the bag. That's it, and then thank you so much, and I love Toys R Us and giving me back more memories. And then yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more.